So coming to today, we discuss about the concept of this 2019-20 CBSE model paper questions. We already discussed 2020-21, that is this academic year model paper in online classes. So today we discuss about the concepts and questions belongs to this 19 and 20. That is last year CBSE model paper, okay, with answers. See here, first question is, okay, this one is 1 mark question. So they are asked, which of the following is valid arithmetic operator in Python? So these questions are belongs to Python. So which of the following is valid arithmetic operator in Python? They are provided some of the operators here, okay. We choose here arithmetic operator, means plus, minus, into, division. In this division, 3 division operators are there. Already we explained. Okay, 3 division operators are there. One is ordinary division that returns quotient. Second one is this one. This returns floor operation. This one is floor operation. This returns the greatest integer near to this quotient. So when we divide one number with another number, we get the quotient value. So then if any point value is returned, float value, then we calculate the floor function. So which is the nearest, smallest integer nearest to that number we calculate. That is the floor arithmetic operation. So this one is floor arithmetic operation. Here this one is the answer. See, question mark is ternary operator. Question mark is ternary operator. This one is ternary operator. This one is arithmetic operator. This one is comparison operator. Greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. These are all comparison operators. So this one is a relational operator and also called as relational operator. It provides relational related to two quantities. Okay, so this one is AND operation. AND means logical AND. So these are all provides operations when you are dealing with Python programming. So this one is arithmetic operation. See, coming to write the type of token from the following. See, you know very well what is meant by token. A token is a smallest, least separable element in a Python programming language. So this one is very, very important question. What is meant by token? So least separable, individual, separable, smallest value out of any programming language is called as token. So in our Python language, tokens are different types of tokens are there. Identifiers, keywords, alphabets, identifiers, and data types, operators, punctuation. So these are all different types of tokens. See, they are providing some tokens here. See, if belongs to which token. So I already explained number of tokens, different types of tokens. So this if belongs to which token they are asked. If means this one is also 1 mark question. This one is half mark. This one is half mark. See, first I discuss this one. If is a keyword. If, else, elif, for, while, go to. These are all different keywords in Python. In any programming language. Okay, in any programming language having so many keywords, especially near to 32. In C language, 32 keywords are there. Like that in our Python language also having some keywords. This one is keyword. Keyword means reserved words. Reserved words or keywords are called as tokens. So next coming to roll number. Identifiers. Identifiers means names. We are providing some names or IDs to a particular variables. Variables having names. We provide some names. Okay. For storing any value in the variable, first we assign some name to that variable. See, this one is one variable. Every variable or identifier having some rules. First letter must be character. It consists of every identifier consists of some characteristics. So first letter must be character. Here this one consists of first letter character. Not starts with number. Okay. Here identifiers are constructed with only characters. Small a to small z or capital A to capital Z. And underscore. If any two words are combined, a compound, then we use underscore symbol. See, the underscore is valid. Remaining at the rate, hash, dollar, all these are not valid here. Only underscore symbol is valid. Special symbols are small a to z and capital A to z and 0 to 9 and this underscore symbol. These are valid only for constructing this token identifiers. So this one is identifier. So this one is identifier token. So this one is reserved word. So this one is reserved word or keywords or keyword token. Okay. Next, coming to name the Python modules to be imported for the following functions. So in Python language we import so many modules. So one module can be imported by using import module name. That is the syntax for import module name. Here we provide, they are asked two methods. These methods belongs to some modules. We write these functions belongs to which modules? See, this one is sign function. So the sign operation, a sign method, a function belongs to mathematical operation. So we give some value here. Suppose 90, sin 90 value is 1. We calculate here theta here 90 degrees for example. Sin 90 1. Sin 0 0. So here we calculate angle degrees values here. So that's why it is a mathematical operation. That's why here this belongs to which module? Here we import which module? Import math. So here answer is import math. So this one is, so first we write this code in when you are using this method in our Python code. Next, coming to here randint. Randint is here this one is randint. Randint is a method which is used to import. So this method is used to calculate random integer values. Some range of values, we select or pick one random integer value. Okay. So here this method belongs to random module. Okay. So first we import that module, then we use this method. That's why it is calling it as import random module. So these are the answers for this question. All these are 1 mark questions. They are asked in previous model paper. See, coming to next question, they are giving some code. Okay, here in this code, Python code, some errors are there. Here, this one is 2 marks question. This one is 2 marks question. Here in this code, okay, some errors are there. We find out those errors and rewrite the following code here. So, first we find out those errors and then we rectify that errors and rewrite the following code according to this code. So this one is 2 marks question. So this one is 2 marks question. Here 4 errors are there. Why? Because each error having half mark. Okay, when we are finding each error, we provide half mark. So that's why here we find out 4 mistakes or errors. Then we rectify those mistakes after finding. Then rewrite the following code. Here they are asked rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax error. Here they are providing some syntax errors. You know very well. Syntax errors, logical errors and runtime errors. Here they are providing syntax error. Generally, these types of questions asked in every public exam, CBSE final exams. That's why we more concentrate on, we more focus on this type of questions. So finding errors and write the following code. As in some cases they are asked, okay, what is the output of this? When we write rectifying that program, when you are executing that program, so we write that output after executing this code. So they are asked like that also. So here we know very well, when you are writing Python, any programming language, not only in Python, every programming language having some syntax. So many things, so many syntaxes we discussed in entire Python journey from grade 11 to grade 12. So we recollect all the syntaxes once again and we rectify this errors. So here they are giving providing here 30 is equal to, here this one is, it is not an equal to operation, this one is assignment operation. So when we observe this statement, here value is there, this one is assignment symbol, this one is variable name, 2 is a variable name, here 2 is a variable name. So variable name in any assignment operation provides in left side and value provides in right side. So here one mistake is there. Why? Because this one is variable. We provide this one in this side and this value is provided in this side. So when we are correcting this code line, this one is one error and this one is also one error. When you are correcting this code, so the code here is 2 is equal to 30. So next, coming to here in this code for loop. We start here for loop. For variable k in range of 0, 2. Here 2 is a variable. So this one is 0 to 2. Here after writing for loop, range function, then we provide colon. Generally in every Python code, when you are asking this type of questions, they miss compulsory, they miss one error. They remove with the code, colon. Here colon is required, you know very well. For loop, else if, else, while, all these are having colon. After colon, we start next line, a body of the statements with some indentation. We maintain here some indentation. In some cases, they are not providing indentation here. Here they maintain indentation, but in some cases they miss the indentation. So we more concentrate on indentation and colon. So particularly they are asked in all the model papers and previous papers, particularly where they miss colon and this indentation. So you know very what is meant by indentation. Why? Because this one is one block of code. Here consists of number of statements. So these all statement belongs to this for loop that we described this one. If you are not maintaining indentation, these statements are not belong to this code. That's why, okay, we especially maintain for loop, while loop, if, else, all these block of statements with some indentation. Okay, so in some cases they asked without indentation. So we must more concentrate on colon and indentation. See, this one is one mistake. We identify here. They are not providing this colon. Next, coming to here, they already provide indentation. But here one mistake is there. When we observe this one. Every time when you are writing in Python code, if, here if, okay, small if, we write here small if, but here they are provided capital letters. That is one mistake here. Next, coming to here, they are provided some calculation part. K percentage 4, percentage means marginal division, is equal to, when you are dividing with 4 with K, which is equivalent to 0, if both are same, left hand and right hand, then here colon is required. Why? Because if is a block. So when you start a block of code, here we must maintain colon. In some cases they miss this colon. See here they provide colon, no problem. Here it is not a mistake. Then immediately this block of statement belongs to this if statement, if block. So we maintain some indentation here. Here we maintain some indentation. So here already they maintain some indentation. No problem. Next, we continue print of K star 4. So this one is valid statement. No errors are there in this statement. Next, coming to else part. Here E starts with capital letter. So every time we write when you are Python code, so this else, if else, like for, while, these are all starts with, these are all keywords or reservoirs, starts with small letters. So here we require else. Here we require else. Colon. Colon must be used. They are provided colon also. In some cases they miss that colon. That's why we check each and every point of this Python code. See here colon is, they are provided, no problem. That's why here only answer, here the error is capitals. Here we use actually small letter, they are provided with capital letter. Next, coming to here, okay, here coming to here, we maintain here some indentation. They also provided that one. Here no error is there. So next they print K plus 3 value. This one not having any error. So we find out 4 errors. One is yes, one is if, one is colon, one is this assignment symbol having left side value with right, right side value with left side. Then we exchange those values, that is the correct one. So in this way we correct all the 4 mistakes from the following code. So this is the output. So 4 mistakes we find out from this following code. In this way we more concentrate on these type of questions, especially colon and indentation, small letters. Frequently they provide all these types of errors in code. So regularly, so that's why concentrate on this type of questions. This one is having 2 marks question. Thank you students. Next class we will discuss remaining concepts.